Bingx Crypto Exchange Overview. Bingx is a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform that offers a wide range of trading services and features. Established in 2018, Bingx has quickly gained recognition in the crypto industry for its user-friendly interface, robust security measures, and diverse range of digital assets. One of the key features of Bingx is its spot trading platform, which allows users to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies, including the newly listed Karrat Usdt pair. The spot platform offers competitive trading fees, advanced order types, and a user-friendly mobile app, making it accessible to both experienced traders and newcomers to the crypto market. In addition to spot trading, Bingx also offers a range of other services, including futures, options, copy trading, and copy fund. These features cater to the diverse needs of traders, from those seeking to hedge their positions to those interested in social trading and passive investment strategies. Karrat Coin. Karrat is a decentralized cryptocurrency that has recently been added to the Bingx spot platform. Karrat is designed to provide a secure and efficient transaction system with a focus on fast settlement times and low fees. The Karrat network is built on a robust blockchain infrastructure, leveraging advanced cryptographic techniques to ensure the integrity and security of the network. The Karrat coin has gained attention in the crypto community due to its innovative features and potential use cases. Some of the key attributes of Karrat include: 1. Decentralized governance. Karrat operates on a decentralized governance model where the community plays a crucial role in decision-making and protocol development. This ensures that the network remains responsive to the needs of its users and maintains a high level of transparency. 2. Fast transactions. The Karrat network is designed to process transactions quickly with an average settlement time of just a few seconds. This makes it suitable for a wide range of real-world applications, including payments, remittances, and micropayments. 3. Low fees. Karrat transactions are characterized by low fees, making it an attractive option for users who want to minimize the cost of their crypto transactions. This feature is particularly beneficial for smaller value transactions and high-volume users. 4. Scalability. The Karrat network is designed with scalability in mind, leveraging advanced blockchain technology to handle a high volume of transactions without compromising the network's performance or security. Listing on Bingx Spot. The addition of the Karrat Usdt trading pair on the Bingx Spot platform is a significant development for both Karrat and the Bingx exchange. This listing provides Karrat with increased visibility and accessibility to a broader user base, while also offering Bingx users the opportunity to diversify their crypto portfolios and participate in the growth of the Karrat ecosystem. By listing Karrat on the Bingx Spot platform, users will be able to deposit, withdraw, and trade the Karrat coin against the US dollar Tether Usdt trading pair. This integration will allow for seamless conversion between Karrat and a stable coin, providing users with added flexibility and ease of use. Bingx's commitment to expanding its asset offerings and providing its users with access to emerging cryptocurrencies is evident in this Karrat listing. The exchange's rigorous due diligence and listing process ensure that only projects with strong fundamentals, robust technology, and clear roadmaps are added to the platform. Joining Bingx with referral code 911. If you're interested in trading Karrat or exploring the wide range of digital assets and services offered by Bingx, you can sign up for an account using the referral code 911. By using this code during the registration process, you'll be able to take advantage of various benefits and promotions offered by the exchange. Some of the key benefits of joining Bingx with the referral code 911 include: 1. Exclusive promotions. New users who sign up with the 911 referral code may be eligible for exclusive promotions such as discounted trading fees, welcome bonuses, or other incentives. 2. Referral rewards. The 911 referral code allows you to earn rewards when you invite your friends and family to join Bingx. You can earn a percentage of the trading fees generated by your referrals, providing an additional income stream. 3. Enhanced customer support. As a referred user, you may have access to dedicated customer support channels or priority assistance, ensuring a smooth onboarding experience and quick resolution of any queries or issues. 4. Expanded trading options. By joining Bingx with the 911 referral code, you'll have access to the platform's wide range of trading pairs, including the newly listed Karrat Usdt, as well as a variety of other cryptocurrencies, futures, options, and copy trading opportunities. To sign up for a Bingx account and take advantage of the 911 referral code, visit the Bingx website at Bingx. Come and click on the register button. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process and start your crypto trading journey with Bingx. Remember, as with any investment, it's crucial to conduct your own research, understand the risks involved, and invest only what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile assets, and while they present exciting opportunities, they also come with inherent risks. Exercise caution and consult with a financial advisor if you have any doubts or concerns.